Mr. J01 first started building with dominoes, like most builders, he started out poorly. But the unique thing about him is that he was in the shadows of the community, annually, for 3 years. But when he decided to grow up a little and organize his colors and get a new building area, there he found some time to improve. One of the best things about the domino community are domino community-held contests. Mr. J himself gets excited when a domino builder hosts a contest, not only for his time to enter, but to look at what other people bring in for their part as well. And sometimes builders compete to see whether they can compete for a prize or a tribute. He immediately goes to the results if they're on, and checks to see how he did. Every time there is a domino contest going on, Mr. J will enter almost every time.
8th place? Out of 9?
But he would fail.
Contests. Why?
It's like he would never win no matter how hard he tried. He began to think if the domino community even cared. Unfortunately for Mr. J, things would have gone downhill. He rushed into his studio and slammed the door in anger, and wondered why he wouldn't win at all. After a strong 30 minutes, he thought to himself, this very phrase that would turn his hobby around.
I love dominoes, but I don't know what to do. If only there was some idea that could get me a win sometime. I don't know what to do. It's... I still think about...
That was when he thought of a very spectacular domino video by an amazing chain reaction builder. The video in question was Incredible Domino Ideas by Double Domino.
Wait a minute. Oh my God. I found out! Incredible domino ideas. Right. If I take inspiration from that, then I'll guarantee I win. I can't give up now. Let's start building.
And off he went into building. Taking inspiration from some great video like Incredible Domino Ideas, he went off to building. And after a long month, it was finally complete. Miraculous Domino Ideas.
super proud of this very video, but I don't know if I'm gonna win. What am I going to do now? I have an idea.
Mr. J was proud of his work, but wasn't confident enough that he would win, so he decided to make more domino projects. Mr. J01 became a great domino artist eventually, and he became well known for his unique style. And that is the story of Mr. J01. A high-functioning autistic kid turned into an adult and matured over his work. The end.